This is a Svalboard Alpha finger cluster. It has 5 keys located within a couple millimeters of your fingertip, so you can strike center, north, south, inward, and outward if you're on the right hand, as an example. The keys themselves are magnetic, with a simple magnet in the center of the key and another magnet inside the well of the cluster. So when the key is put in, it just snaps into place, and when you pull it back, it snaps back. So that's the entire mechanism. There are no springs, there are no electrical contacts to wear out, because the keys are sensed optically. This little flag here on the key, the protrusion on it, mates with an optointerrupter on the circuit board. So the key feel is incredibly light, but incredibly tactile, because the magnets have a force profile that breaks away like 1 over x squared as it moves. So you get an immediate awareness that you've activated the key, but no further force that you would fight against. So you have no tendency to hammer on the keys. It's a really delightful experience, and honestly, it's unlike any other key switch that anyone has ever made, and it's impossible to understand until you actually have one in hand, which is why we sell sample clusters on the Svalboard store to help fund development, and we're happy to drop one in the mail to you any given time. Just place an order on the shop and you can see for yourself.